How to fix the whole.io app not working on your iPhone or Android. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about the whole.io app not working on your device. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to make sure that you've installed the latest version of whole.io application on your mobile device and it's updated to its latest version. To ensure that, you need to go ahead and open your Play Store if you're using Android and App Store if you're using iPhone. Now go ahead and search for whole.io application. And once you find it and see an update button over there instead of play, which is highlighted in blue color, simply tap on it to update it to its latest version available. Now go ahead and tap and hold on to this application. Tap on the eye icon in the top to go to app info. Then again scroll down and go to storage and then click on clear cache. Come back, try disabling this application, and if you're using iPhone, you can go to iPhone storage, search for whole.io application, and then upload the app. You can also try uninstalling it completely from your device and reinstall it. Also, make sure that you have given all the permissions to this app and make sure that your internet connection is working properly, that your Wi-Fi is strong, reliable, and stable, and try switching between the Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if it resolves the issue. You can also try turning the airplane or the flight mode on for 2 to 3 seconds to reset all the connection settings on your device. Last but not least, go ahead and restart your entire device to solve the app problems. And that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.